Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a great scholar. So Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a great scholar. He was very educated person. He mastered several languages such as, remember it, Sanskrit, Persian, Arabic, English, Latin, Greek and Hebrew. So these are the language in which he have mastered, that is Rajaram Mohan Roy. A comparative study of the Vedas, the Quran and the Bible, the Old Testament and New Testament convinced Rajaram Mohan Roy about the basic unity in the fundamental truth of all religions. So when he had a comparative study of Vedas, Quran and Bible, he come to know that all these three religions have the same basic unity and the same fundamental rights. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a staunch believer in the philosophy of Vedanta, that means Upanishads, which was based on a rational thinking. So Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a believer who believed in the philosophy of Vedanta, that means a rational thinking. Whatever is occurring in your life, there is certain purpose. He was also a great admirer of the philosophies of Christianity and Islam. So Rajaram Mohan Roy was also a great admirer of the philosophies of Christianity and Islam. Now we will learn about the religious reforms by the Rajaram Mohan Roy. Rajaram Mohan Roy realized the importance of religion in society. Religion was central to an individual's life. So religion play an important role in our life. Every aspect of social life revolved around religious beliefs. So whatever we do in our day-to-day activities, it all revolved around our religious belief, whether it is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai and so on. To reform society, it is very important to first reform religion. So in order to change the society, first we have to change our own religion, because religion is the main important part from which we originate. He propagated the following religious ideas based on rationalism and the philosophy of Vedas. So here are the points where he have propagated different types of religious idea based on rationalism and the philosophies of Vedas. First is, there is only one God who is the creator and preserver of the universe, that is monotheism. So his first philosophy is that there is only one God and that one God is a creator and the preserver of the universe, that is earth. This process is known as monotheism. Next, all men are children of the one God of all human beings and therefore equal brotherhood of man. So all men, whether they belong to Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, they are children of one God of all human beings, and hence we can say that there is a brotherhood among each other. Third is, it is not necessary to worship idol and perform ritual and sacrifices. God could be reached through prayers and devotion. It is not necessary that we have to do idol worshipping, perform rituals and sacrifices of animals, but we can reach to God through prayer and devotion towards our God. Rajaram Mohan Roy condemned the domination of the priests who were responsible for misleading the people and perpetuating ritualism and social religious practices like sati. So according to Rajaram Mohan Roy, the priest is referred as the most responsible person who are misleading the normal people and telling the people regarding the different rituals, that is sati. The meaning of sati is that if a woman husband is died, the woman will be burned alive along with the husband dead body. So this practice is known as sati. So as you can see here picture, a postage stamp with an imprint of Rajaram Mohan Roy. So it is a postage stamp and in which there is a picture of Rajaram Mohan Roy. He published Bengali translation of the Vedas and Upanishads to prove that all the ancient religious texts preach monotheism. So he also published a Bengali translation of Vedas and the Upanishads in order to aware the people about the different types of ancient religious texts which only tell us about the monotheism. That means there is only one God who is our creator and who is our preserver of our earth.